SpotImage is our principal partner in the world, providing us with many thousands of images every year. At SKANЭKS, I am responsible for the forest monitoring program. It is a state program of State Russian Forest Agency. And the main goal of this project, or program I can say, the main goal is to get data during 1 year, to get data images, coverage of the whole Russian forest from wall to wall. So it is more than 160 million hectares each year. Really, it's not all Russian forests, but the forests with the most extensive industrial logging. So one idea is to monitor any illegal logging activity in Russian forests. That is an important problem in Russia. So we started our cooperation with SpotImage several years ago. We started from the satellites Spot 2 and Spot 4, and now we are ready to receive data from Spot 5 and also from Formasat 2. And a very important part of our cooperation is that we established our own Russian ground receiving stations, Uniscan. And we organized, together with SpotImage, the direct acquisition of data to these Russian stations. So it helps us to short this delivery time from the satellite to our customers in the Forest Service to about 1 week now. It is now about 1 week. And also very important for us, the cooperation with SpotImage, is for the first time the contract signed with the SpotImage. It is according to the contract, the images have been delivering from the satellites, from Spot satellites, every path, and regardless the weather conditions. We have to cover the whole Russian area during one quite short vegetation season. So it is from middle May to middle September, and we have to cover with cloud-free images the whole area of Russia. It was not possible before we start cooperation with SpotImage. Just as an example, last year we provided the Federal Forest Service with more than 20,000 images, and 2/3 of these images, they were images from Spot satellites. We have more and more need from our customers in the Federal Forest Service for the high-resolution data. And now we already realized the direct receiving of Formasat 2 to the Moscow receiving stations. It is also a new step in our cooperation. And of course we are waiting for the coming Spot 6 and Spot 7 satellite to continue our cooperation. Now it is our forest customers, they use less and less aerophotos, because we can suggest them high-resolution satellite images, and this is very good for data processing to get more accurate data. And also this is some kind of a technological revolution in Russian forestry, because they're providing of so much amounts of imagery to local forest enterprises. They forced these enterprises to change technology, to improve it, and to use many new things, GIS systems, electronic data flow, and so on. So it is a part the images from spot image, this is a part of technological revolution in Russian forestry and data processing. Really, the customers, they need both data. So one issue is to cover the whole area yearly, and it is not possible using only very high resolution data. So we need at least some middle resolution coverage of the whole country from wall to wall. It is one issue. And the second issue is their need to get some very high resolution data for some areas of special interest, or for areas with some suspected illegal logging areas or some protected areas. So I'm absolutely sure we have to combine these both approaches, not to turn only to the very high resolution data. We have to use both approaches, middle resolution and high resolution data as well.